Greetings, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to the Daily RV Life channel. Today, we have an informative and useful video for all RV enthusiasts out there. We will be discussing an essential aspect of RV camping, Blackwater treatments. As you know, maintaining a sanitary and odor-free Blackwater system is crucial for a comfortable and enjoyable camping experience. Proper Blackwater treatment not only ensures a pleasant environment but also helps to protect the environment. So, let's dive right in. When it comes to Blackwater treatments, there are various products available on the market. These treatments work by breaking down waste and controlling odors. However, it's essential to choose the right product for your specific needs. The most common types of RV Blackwater treatments include chemical-based treatments, enzyme treatments, and organic treatments. Chemical-based treatments typically use formaldehyde or other chemicals to mask odors and break down waste. While effective, they may not be the most eco-friendly option. Enzyme treatments, on the other hand, use natural enzymes to accelerate the breakdown of waste and control odors. These treatments are environmentally friendly and safe for septic systems. Additionally, they can help maintain the overall health of your Blackwater tank. Organic treatments, such as biodegradable toilet paper, can also be used as a part of your Blackwater treatment routine. These products are gentle on your RV's plumbing system and the environment. To effectively treat your RV's Blackwater system, it's important to follow some key guidelines. First and foremost, always empty your Blackwater tank when it's at least 2/3 full. This ensures proper flow and efficiency of the treatment products. Additionally, be mindful of the dosage recommended by the manufacturer for the specific treatment you are using. Overusing or underusing the treatment may lead to ineffective results. Remember, a balanced approach is the key. Regularly flushing your Blackwater tank with clean water is also crucial to maintain a healthy system. This helps to eliminate residual waste and keeps the tank clean and odor-free. Lastly, be mindful of the proper disposal of your Blackwater waste. Follow the designated dump stations or RV parks guidelines to ensure you're making a positive impact on the environment. That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you found this comprehensive guide on RV Blackwater treatments helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow RV enthusiasts. Until next time, happy camping.